Hello to you all. My name is Anubhav Kashyap, and I am from IITH pursuing Communication Signal Processing and Learning. And I'm currently in my first semester, and most of you reached me through LinkedIn and WhatsApp and wanted me to make a strategy video. Like, you want to start preparing from now for the 3 months, and you want to get some decent marks so that you can get some colleges through GATE. Okay. So right now, if we say from right now, like uh, we have you like the currently it's November, right? And the exam is in Feb. So basically, we have roughly around 3 months. 3 months we have roughly. Okay. So in these 3 months, we will try to make sure that we will not engage in the kind of the subjects where we require most like a hell lot of time and don't get that much of. We will try to focus on the topics which is less time consuming and we can get more amount of marks from that. Okay. There's no in kind of intelligence in going to the topics where you are not like it is very tough and there is very high probability that you won't be able to solve it even if it comes in the question like in the paper. So we will try to focus on the high scoring topics so that in 3 months you are able to score to like 40 to 50 or nearly around 35, which through which you can kind of cross the cutoff of gate. Okay, the gate cutoff will be from 25 to 30 marks. Okay, so if you are in the 35 zone, then you are most probably get qualified and you will most probably be can get any kind of MTech and you don't have to waste your or take an drop for the next year. Okay, so I'll just start. So right now, our first phase should be that I am side by side. I have Gate syllabus with me right now. Like I will also show you which topics you need to do, which you kind of avoid so that you don't have to like waste your too much of time in even shortlisting which topics to prepare not. Linear algebra, calculus, and differential equation are the must. You should need to go through these, and it is very must for the EC candidates because linear algebra and calculus will be like it will be asked in your interview, so that you should be well aware of that. And the probability questions are not that much difficult if you're doing from the communication perspective. Even the random variable, it will be beneficial for you. And most of the signal processing and the communication interview requires you the probability and stats. So try to do the engineering mathematics whole. It won't like hardly it will take if you like give your day and night because it's very less amount of time in the next year. So you should like try to give all in this and try to complete this thing in under 2 weeks. What I think it is doable if because you have most of the people have done it in their first time or the second semester. You should probably do this okay this complex analytics analytic function and not convergence. It is not that difficult to do if you can able to solve the gate pyqs, then it's good to go. Okay, gate pyqs is must, you can solve it. And after that the maths the maths part basically if you solve the gate pyqs and you're done with this topic, you are done basically. Okay, now coming to the uh, aptitude. Aptitude, basically in aptitude, it is a most we can say neglected topic by the aspirant. Even I neglected it in my grade prep, and but this is the most like it it has highest percentage of marks as compared to any subject, because the general aptitude contains of 15 marks. 15 marks is very high weightage. Even communication doesn't come for 15 marks in gate, right? So we should not think from that perspective that if general aptitude is easy, we will be able to do it. You need to have practice in all this kind of aspect. Okay, you should focus on general aptitude more, try to solve more pyqs and all. If you're able to solve the pyqs, the question will be similar to that. You don't need to focus on the lectures and lectures and lectures. Try to directly jump to the pyqs and try to solve them. Don't try to jump on the lectures and then after then solving, because the general aptitude is you can just go through the pyqs. If you're not able to solve any of the particular type of questions, then just follow the lecture or just follow to the Nizo Academy and all, and get that concept and get just checked. Okay, Most of the time in this general aptitude, if the like strength questions, pipes question, like an English questions, okay, these question occur, which is able to, which as an engineer we can able to pursue. So I would say like try to make sure that you are getting 12 plus marks in this general aptitude and 10 plus marks in this engineering mathematics. And engineering mathematics, and these are the very high scoring subjects where you can easily can get these kind of marks, okay. And your that targeted cumulative score will be 22 marks, which is highly doable with current time frame also, okay. And the second is the like now, even if we are able to score 22, okay, with general aptitude plus maths, but still there is a high chunk of questions which is a technical portion which you need to cover, okay. There's no need for trying to jump to directly for the uh, if we go directly for this this subject, there's no need, don't go for electronic devices, you won't be able to finish it. Analog circuits, no need to jump into this, you won't be able to finish it, okay. Yes, the topic which you need to do is this digital circuits, highly doable sort topic. We all know this topic, okay, and you will be able to solve it. Try to focus more on this sequential part. If the questions come, if a good question come, it will generally come coming from the sequential parts, okay. Try to focus on the finite state machines, the propagation delay and all, okay. These also sometimes come that SRM, DRAM questions, computer organization, one question come every time in the gate examination. KMAP and all, it is like we all know about that, okay. Control system, highly doable, highly scoring, but most of the time I got negative in this subject, okay. Just try to be a little safe while doing these kind of question of this particular subject, control system. It is easy, most of the students find is easy to do, but just take my word, just try like a bit cautious while solving the question of control system, okay. So yes, control system is doable. I will tell you the topic which you need to do. Communication, big no. Okay, electromagnetics, big no. You won't be able to solve it. Okay. So what you need to do is start with digital, okay, and control. You will be able to solve it. Like do it in the current time frame. Networks, highly doable. Okay. Circuit analysis, linear two-port networks, circuit like you can do that. You can do this in the current time frame. Okay. And coming to this signal system. Signal system is a big topic, but according to the current time frame, you can complete it till Fourier series to like it is doable, but for the mastering this topic it requires time, but you can do this topic, okay. If you have already done it in your BTech, if you've done it like thoroughly in your BTech, then it is highly doable. Even if I say most of us have prepared for our college exams, so we will be able to even do some topic for electronic devices also, right? So try to solve gate PYQs more, okay? And because so what I am coming from is core subject minimum you should like get from these is 14 to 16 mark in this particular out of two subjects, okay. And same for the networks and the digital circuit, right? Try to do like get these kind of marks from this, okay. Now the phase 3, even if you have done all the lectures, you know the concept, you have done the PYQs and okay, how you should approach now. You don't have that time for the like strategizing how to solve this, and then no time for like mistakes. Now you have to come with some direct involvement how to solve. Directly go for PYQs. Highly must. We are all prepared for competitive examination. We know PYQs plays a major role. Okay, try focusing on like solving PYQs after 2010. Okay, focus on understanding the concept, what the concept is demanding, root Hurwitz criteria, K maps. These kind of questions come very often. So try to focus on these concept on that. Try to make what I would say the short notes, like if you're just going for maths, general aptitude, and plus these four subjects which I told you about. then I think you can make short notes. If you are going for 5 to 6, it is very difficult in this time frame, because I am kind of making this video in time frame that you must be in your fifth semester and you will be giving the gate in the sixth semester. Okay, and you must be having a final semester examination right now, and most of the time you will be having your final project submission. Okay, so I would not suggest that you will have a lot of time, but you need to put R, because very if you have to crack this examination in the 3 months, then you need to focus on the things and you need to put an hour. Most of the people have started preparing from the second year. Okay, so you need to put more hours from as compared to them. Okay, try to solve PYQs, focus on the four subject which I told, and like make short notes if you are able to make it. The best thing you can do right now, like which can boost yourself for 10 to even 12 marks, which is solving full length mocks. It is a must. Okay, in my when I was preparing, even I even didn't able to finish the all the syllabus, but still I gave the full length mock test, and like that mock test helps you a lot analyzing your mistakes, which subject you should start, which the great aptitude should you start with, the great engineering mathematics should you start with, should you start with the technical part. Okay, at what, like in which topic are you lagging in which time you are having calculation errors, conceptual confusion. These kind of skills that you develop is from full length test. Okay, try to focus in these topics, full length mock test and all. Okay, first PYQs, for like if you're able to make short notes. Okay, if you're not able to, then no worries, just try to solve PYQs, give full length mock test. Okay, after the giving the full length mock, you will like just revise concept, just give mock, try to try to find your weak zones. After that, just try to finalize that these are my weak zone, can get there, like go back to the concept, recollect the concept, and then come back and just solve the question. Okay, this is the way how you should prepare, right? Like, and I have shown you the gate syllabus. I have also marked which topic you should do, which you should avoid right now, because electronic devices, these are the very core topics which you won't be able to kind of able to completely complete right now. So don't try to communication. You should completely avoid. If you're able to, if you want to do some part of communication, analog communication you can do. Okay, and electromagnetism is big no. You should not even touch even this topic. It will require a hell lot of time. It's very difficult to even understand in this current time frame. Okay, analog, you can go for OPAM. OPAM is a very high scoring topic. If your preparation is at the like it at a good stage, you can go for OPAM even. OPAM is a very good topic. Even like 4 marks easily comes from this topic, which I can assure you that. So yes, this is like my understanding. And if you even want to, if you're even preparing for like Gate 2027 or even Gate 2028, then even if you can, if you want to, like I prepared from physics wala. I bought like two batches. First in the like I prepared in the third year, where I bought the Prakram batch, and the second no, when I was in my final year, I bought like this revision batch, this Vijay 2.0. Okay, helped me a lot. The faculty is good. Okay, there are some pros and cons about that I will discuss in the next video. Even if you want to just, and yes, if you want to buy any physics wala courses online like Prakram Vijay for the gate ESC and all, you can use my coupon code of ANUKAS 0001. You can get a maximum discount, which is what right now available on the physics wala. If you want to buy and even support my videos for this channel, I will be really like thankful for you if you use my coupon code to buy this course. And yes, thank you for watching me. If you want any video, if you want any kind of interview, if you want any kind of a suggestion, if you want any live interaction with me, you can comment down below or mail me directly or reach through me LinkedIn. I am very happy to like share and help you guys, because when I was preparing and I was doing this interview or in these kind of sessions, I was unable to find any of the videos for the gate preparation. Okay, there were some people, but from I can tell you from my perspective, because I just entered this arena right now. So I can tell you from my perspective. You can trust me. You can reach out through LinkedIn or the WhatsApp and the mail. I'll definitely get back to you whenever I saw your message, and we can have a chat. Anything you want, share. I also don't have that of a good amount of number of like subscribers, so that I can really help you if you want to. Yeah, thank you.